Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix easy anti-cheat is not installed on Fortnite Epic Games. So without further ado, let's get started. Super easy fix. You just need to go to library, then find Fortnite, press on the three dots, go to manage, then you will see this folder here, open install location. Then you need to go to Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, then easy anti-cheat. Then you should see easy anti-cheat setup exe. If you don't see exe, press on view, press on show, and then you will see that you can select file name extensions. Then what you need to do here is to right click on easy anti-cheat setup, show more options, and then you should see create a shortcut. Click on it, new shortcut will appear, and then you need to right click on that new shortcut. Then you need to go to properties, and then you will see a shortcut thing here and target location. Then what you need to do here is to write. You need to write, just press first space, then install. After you write install, space, prod, dash, and then fn. Right? Apply. Okay. Then you need to click on exe here, and basically nothing will happen. Just little window shows up, and this means easy anti-cheat now is installed to your computer. And then what you need to do here is to launch Fortnite, and your issue should be solved. That's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like.